We are getting crafty and organized today, two of my favorite things. Sewing and craft expert Denise Wild joins us with 3 great ideas, and I get to play along.
Yes, we thought ahead this time, and I've sent you a bunch of fun craft supplies so that we can kind of craft together like the good old days, right?
Yeah, so you sent me along like it's just a regular, it's like a dollar store frame, right? And
Yes,
we're gonna make
you
a little,
don't have to spend a lot of money.
yeah, and we're gonna make a little organizational thing. So you go ahead and show me what we're gonna do.
So these are 3 simple projects, easy ideas for getting an organized start to the new year. The first one that we're going to talk about is making your own dry erase board. So that's the frame that I sent you. Now, I also sent you some decorative paper. What I want you to do is put the decorative paper inside the frame, because this frame will turn into a dry erase board. So just by adding some decorative papers, using stickers for words, you'll be able to, not spend a lot of money. You can get this from the dollar store, order it online, or, find an old unused frame in your house. And then you'll have something that's ready to go. You could even use this as a calendar, whatever you want. I also always recommend, this is something that I do just for fun. I glue a little pom-pom onto the end of my dry erase.
And you even said that for me.
Yeah, you want to, just because they look cute, they're fun.
Now, I kind of worked ahead a little bit last night because you sent me everything, and I'm like, oh, I'm really nervous about centering everything. So I worked ahead and I made a little chip day organizational board so that we know, there we go. So I put the paper in there, and you sent lots of great colors here, but because our marker is green, I wanted something that would show. So we're going to use this to show who's up next for Chip Day, and then, because that's a tradition here at work.
I love it.
There, it's Tansy's turn next week, next Chip Day. Oh. So thank you. This will hang in our newsroom. And then what else do you have?
Next up, let's talk about planning, preparing, and portioning your food. Meal prep is not just for the super athletic. Everybody can do it, and it's such a time saver, space saver. So what you're going to do is plan ahead for the week, divide and portion up your snacks and your meals so you can put them into matching containers in your fridge. And that will just help to get everything under control. It'll help with meal prep, with your online grocery ordering. I use Rubbermaid take-alongs, meal prep containers, and on-the-go containers. They've got dividers inside to separate food. They come in all different sizes, and the lids have a quick click seal. You can find them at major retailers, and they're also BPA-free and safe for use in the microwave, dishwasher, and the freezer. So when you put this into the fridge, it looks nice and organized, and then you don't have to worry about, kids who are learning at home saying, what's for lunch? What can I eat for snack time? It just helps to keep your meals organized as well, and just a really simple, fresh way to start off the new year by getting that food and your kitchen under control.
And not wasting food, so important, so you don't end up throwing it out because you don't remember what it was. We got about a minute left, but I love this. Help for wanted socks.
Yes. So this is just a really fun, silly, goofy idea for those pesky single socks. You can just decorate a board. This is just a plain wooden board that I painted. Then I used a marker to draw wanted on, and I just added some decorative edging. And then hang up every time you get one of those single socks. We don't know where they come from, but they're probably matched with those, hanging out with those Rubbermaid lids somewhere. But every time you get one of those pesky socks, you can hang it up here, and that way when you do find its pair, then it's together. And just, a little fun addition to your laundry room, but it's also a great way to get those socks, find them, keep them, put them here.
And teach kids about matching at the same time. All great tips. And you've got so many more great ideas. So we'll put the links to your social media up on our website at chch.com. Always great to deal with you. And we will think of you now, Denise, every Chip Day.
I love it. I love it.